how to exercise the forearms using resistance bands. And this first exercise, I feel like a lot of people miss this muscle group. So they're missing half of the muscles in their forearms. So you've got your extensors up here and your flexors in here. A lot of people are only working their flexors and they're missing out on all that growth and size in their forearms they could be getting. So to hit those extensors of the wrist, we're gonna start with your hands fully pointed down towards the ground. From here, you're gonna pull up to the ceiling, trying to go all the way from down, all the way up. You should feel that start to burn in the top of your wrist. So doing about 10 to 20 of those, and then we're gonna flip around. Now we're working those wrist flexors instead. So if you combine these two exercises, you're working all of those major muscles of the forearms to increase the size and strength of your forearms, as well as working on that grip. I would not start your workout with these exercises because if you burn out your grip strength, it's very hard to do any other exercise. So I would close with this if you're doing it. If you like these sort of live streams and want to see more, I host them on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 11 a.m. Pacific time.